Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to give you the recipes. I'm baking and cooking the food for my party. Here is the Pioneer white bread recipe. And I just use, instead of sugar, I use my Walmart honey. And I used 2.5 teaspoons yeast, a little salt, no cornmeal. And then I put green olives and cheese. I'm still rising these. I put some egg yolk and some green olives and some just plain old cheddar cheese of some sort. And so I want to show you something. Okay, I have never tried this, but I bought this salmon at Aldi's. This is a pretty nice piece of salmon. I'm going to be able to easily remove the bones. And this is a nice big, well, let me show you this way. I paid less than $3 for this. I'm having very good, so see how I can just take the bones out? And I want to give you the recipe. I'm just going to use a Betty Crocker recipe. I'm probably going to use breadcrumbs instead of cracker crumbs. There's the salmon burger. So I'm making a salmon burger, chips, and you know I'll have some cake. Okay, you guys, God bless you.